everyone, today we are picking our first cucumbers. They finally came alive because it was first rain and they really like the rain. So just a second. So you see, maybe this one I will leave a bit more. They are growing now perfect. So they come all the way to here and now they will go on this fence. So look at this amazing cucumber. For cucumbers it's very good if you pick it early in the morning because through the night they still grow and we don't want to pick them after the hot sunny day because they are too warm then. Let's see further on. I think we have one more. Look, here this one is amazing. Awesome. And I'm gonna also pick this one because it's turning yellow, so it's gonna be too bitter. And this one I see it's a bit burning, but I try to water as much as I can. So we're gonna have this for our cucumber salad. Now that we pick our cucumbers, I'm just gonna wash them a bit. And we're gonna now slice it. I'm not even gonna peel them because they say that the peel has the most vitamins. So I'm just gonna slice it on this. I have to try one. And now we're just gonna add, delicious. Before I add them all like this, we're just gonna add a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and a bit of liquid yogurt. If you want, you can even add the olive oil. This is so good and refreshing, perfect for hot summer days. And the best part is that these cucumbers are homegrown, organic. So if you liked the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Have a lovely day. Ciao. Delicious. Ciao.